Hello and welcome to my first video. So this video is going to show you how to do the clock calibration method on a Silvia S15. I believe it's the same on a S14 and older models and maybe new models as well. So key in the ignition, key on it to either trip A or trip B, must be on trip A or trip B. So key off, long hold press on the button for the trip, and then ignition on goes to 0000 and then 1 2 3. There you go, it's now in calibration mode, so the needles will now, with one long press, will go up into calibration mode. So to then recalibrate the clocks, you have to individually pull off each needle and put them back on in the correct position like shown. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.